all the ingredients together. Just trying to make sure that I have everything all mixed up properly. Also, while you're making it, one thing that I've learned is to know how it's going to taste and to know if you have all of your proper seasonings. Smell it. So of course, while you're molding and mixing, you smell everything when it's mixing together. So that lets you know if you have enough of it all. Okay? Now also, while making it, while forming it into your loaf, you want to make sure that you have it even so that it all cooks the same time. You don't want to have it too high on one side and lower on the other, because that will just mess up your cooking time. So where one side is completed, the other side is still pink. Okay? So I normally like to cook mine at about 370. I sort of kind of alternate. So I do between 350, 375 for about 35, 45 minutes. And then of course I always come back and check and you know, stick a fork in the middle to make sure there's no blood. And yeah, so here is your perfectly formed loaf. Alrighty, so we're gonna put that in the oven and let it cook. Alright guys, so now for the next thing in our meal, we're gonna be peeling potatoes. So I already have 5 russet potatoes already pre-washed. And we're just gonna go ahead and peel them. And then I have here some water that we're gonna boil. And then we'll also add some salt to it, just so that you won't have to worry about sticking. And yeah, it also helps season while it cooks. So then also another tip that I have, I like to have a bowl and I just cover it with a bag so that it's easier to clean up, so that you won't have peels everywhere. So we're just going to set it down about mid-high, and we have our potatoes in with our salted water, and we're just going to let them come to a high boil. I do like to keep a watch just to be sure that you don't, you know, overcook, as well as that the water doesn't boil out.